Welcome back to Mujahid-Official 12. My friend, in this video we will learn that how to fix display text size problem, and we will also learn that how to fix apps and icon size problem. As you can see on the display, the text is unreadable. Anyway, the very first thing you have to do, press Windows and I on the keyboard to go to the settings, or you can go to start and you can also search if you don't find the settings in the starts, and then go to system and then go to display. You can see this scale and layout. Simply click on this scale. In this case, first I will go to text size. I have changed it manually, so you have to adjust this slider, and you can see I have adjusted to 100%. And from here click on this apply, and as you can see our text size problem is fixed very beautifully. Sometimes the issue can be the scale. My friend, keep remember the difference between the scaling and text size. The text size applied to only text on your display and in your Windows apps and anything else, only on the text, but the scale applied to apps and icons along with text as well. If you change the scale size, for example I change it to 225 and then simply click on this check button, but in this case I can't because it will sign out. So if you want you can, but anyway, so this is the problem my friend. By mistake you change this slider and click on the apply button, and then you forget how to fix it. So don't worry, you have to simply go to the settings, then go to simply system, and then go to display, and from here go to scale, and then go to text size and adjust the slider to 100% and click on this apply. And my friend, in this way you can fix the text size problem and the apps and icon size problem in the Windows 11. My friend, I hope this video helps to you. If you have any query, question or anything else, or any problem about any software, you can definitely comment me in the comment box. I will try to make a dedicated video for you. Make sure to like and subscribe